was that time of the year to go to a sugar shack. As you can see, there's a lot of traditional foods. The desserts were very sugary. And of course, we had to stop by for maple taffy. We couldn't get over how good the maple taffy were. We kept going back. I think we went back at least 5 times. Oopsies.
We'll keep you updated on the whole night. And we're so excited! Yeah.
We're sitting at the table right now.
We cannot cut this through, guys! Yours is worse! I forgot we're doing a taste test! I started eating without you!
And my room is such a mess right now. I need to clean that. I studied all day today. The ball was so fun. We had nice food like you saw. I'm just getting ready for my finals, closing up projects that we have. I did tell you guys I have a job right now, but I will be able to tell you more about it later and about the process once it's moving a little bit more for me. I've decided to send thank you cards. I'm going to see my family now and we're going to brunch. Just hang out. On our way back, we had the chance to watch a beautiful sunset near the Belvédère. If you come to Montreal, it's a must to see the Belvédère. You really get that panoramic view of the whole city. And as you can see, no building surpasses the Mont Royal's height in order to preserve the city's skyline and natural beauty, which I love about our city. I woke up to a snowstorm and I did not expect that in the middle of April. But yet again, we live in Quebec. I've been just sitting in my window studying and just reflecting because I've been pretty stressed the past few days. I think it's catching up to me that I'm actually graduating. This is the start of a new chapter in my life. Despite it being exciting, I still feel a sense of dread. I feel like with school, even though you have a lot of work and it's constantly on your mind, you still have time to take some time off. Vacation. Your 20s are meant to be your exploring years, just trying stuff out, and I definitely want to do that. Yet I do have some goals. I bought a tennis racket and I want to start doing some tennis. I'm excited to show and tell you guys the trips I have planned. I'm so happy that you guys are following me through my 20s.
We're ready.
Good, I'm ready.
Go.
As I finished studying, I headed to the lower field of McGill to get my sunglasses for the eclipse.
But it's so full that I don't think there even are lines. For a job that I really wanted to get, like this was the one I wanted. It's actually I'm the mom of the group, so we brought some cookies. Let the hiking begin. No one wants to.
C'est la récompense.
The real question
C'est pas
is,
si dur.
are we gonna lose Emma? Well, Brati's tracking right now with his camera.
What we're going to do is we're taking pictures of evidence that Emma was with us.
My shoes are absolutely drenched.
So we're walking. The others are behind. I'm breathing loudly, but it's going well. I think we're never gonna leave this mountain. The hike was so nice. The weather was perfect.